Today I am going to hello everyone, myself Kaima Mittal, and today I am going to start binary operations. Firstly, we will discuss binary multiplication. In the previous video, we discussed binary addition and binary subtraction. Now, today I am going to start with binary multiplications. So, these are the rules which is applicable for binary multiplication. Binary numbers are 0 and 1. So 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1 is equal to 0. 1 into 0 is equal to 0. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So to do binary multiplication, we have to follow these rules. We have to follow these rules. Firstly, we will consider this question. We have to perform binary multiplication, means base 2 means binary multiplication, and number also consists of 1 and 0 only. So 1010 multiplied by 1010. So let's see how to do this. 1010 solution multiplied by 101. Okay. When you will multiply this 1 to 0, so 1 into 0 means 0. This 1 into 1 means 1. 1 into 0 means 0. 1 into 1 means 1. Right? Now, 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 1. Next digit will be 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 0, and 1 into 1, 1. Right? Now we have to add all these digits as we do in the decimal multiplication to get final sum here. 0, 1 plus 0 means 1. 0 plus 0 plus 0 means 0. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1 means 1 0. तो 1 0 में 0 लेंगे आप एज अ सम और यहाँ पे आपके क्या बन जाएगी कैरी. 1 plus 0 1. Then this carry will be added. So 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. 1 plus 1 means 1 0. So this will be the answer of this product. Next question is we have to multiply, means in this question we have to multiply these two numbers. In this question uh, we will consider, we have considered decimal number, binary decimal number. Okay, so means decimal point in the binary number, right? So now it's a very simple. 1 into 1, 1, 1 0, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Okay. And you can say when you will multiply your number with 1, then you will get the same answer. And when you multiply number with 0, then all digits will be 0. So we have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 6, 7. Now, now this is 1, then you will get same result. Wait. Wait. As I told you, when when the this is the multiplicand and this is the multiplier. This is the multiplicand and this is the multiplier. If multiplier bit is 1, then you will get the same as multiplicand. If multiplier bit is 0, then you will get the all digits will be 0. So first digit of multiplier is 1. Then we will get same as multiplicand. So 1 0 0 1 1 0 1, right? Next multiplier digit is 0. So all digits means these are 7 digits. So 7 zeros are there. 0 0 3 4 5 6 and 7. And next bit is 1. So we get as a result multiplicand. So 7 bit are 1 0 0 1 1 0 1, right? Next bit is also 1. Then result is as multiplicand. So 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. Now we have to add these numbers: 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. ये आपका कैरी आ गया. 1 plus all zeros तो 1 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1. 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 0 1, and 1 will be added to this carry, so it will get 0 as sum and 1 is carried. 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 0 plus 1 1 1, and 1 1 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 means 0 0 1 means यहाँ पर आएगा आपका 0 एंड यहाँ आएगा 1 0 एज अ कैरी. So यहाँ 1 1 plus 1 0 1 1, so carry will be 1 1 0 plus 1 1 1 as a result. So 1 we will write their sum as 1 and carry will be forwarded here. 1 plus 1 0 with carry 1 1 plus 1 1 0. So this will be the product, okay, of this number. Now we have to perform binary division here. So there are some rules. 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now uh, upper digit is dividend and lower digit is divisor. 1 divided by 0 is undefined, means meaningless. 0 divided by 0 is also undefined, which is meaningless. Now let us consider our example. So first condition is this: divisor divisor should be greater than dividend. Dividend. Okay. So 110. If we will compare these three digits to this 101, so 110 is 6, 101 is 5. So not possible. Division is not possible. So we will move to the next bit. 1010. So 1010 means 10, and this is 6. Now it is possible. So 110 means 1. 1 time 110. Now we have to subtract these two numbers. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. 0 minus 1 means we have to subtract here greater number to smaller number. So we will take borrow here from higher bit. So this will be 0 and this will be 1 0. 1 0 minus 1 1, and this is 0. Okay. 1 1 0 0. Next bit is 1. So again 110 110. So 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 1, again not possible. Subtraction is not possible. So we will go to the next bit. So subtraction here means here subtraction is not possible to the higher bit. So we will go to the next bit. So when we will uh, take borrow from this bit, it will become 0 and it will be 1 0. And when this bit will again give borrow to this, so it will become 1 and it will become 1 0. So 1 0 minus 1, 1 0 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, and this will be 0, right? Now, now, now we will consider, and we will take down to this 0 here. So 110 means one time. 110. This will be the our answer. Okay. Now, now this condition should be verified to do binary operation. Now we will move to the second question of binary division. 101. So we check first three digit of our dividend. 101, 101 means divisor should be greater than or equal to dividend. So divisor is equal to dividend, so it will be equal to 1, 101, right? So यहाँ पर 0 0 0, when we subtract these three digits, so we will get 0 0 0. Now we will take 1 here. So 101 means divided, 1 is divided by 101 नहीं जा सकता, तो उसका आप 0 लेंगे. फिर आप इस 0 को लेंगे, तो ये भी आपका यहाँ पे हुआ. तो ये भी आपका नहीं जा सकता है, तो फिर आप एक और 0 लगाएंगे. फिर आप इस 1 को कंसिडर करेंगे. नाउ 101 मीन्स 101 is equal to 101, so we will get 1 as quotient, and 101 is here. 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0 means if divisor is greater than equal to dividend, then quotient is equal to 1. If divisor is less than dividend, then quotient is equal to 0. So here we have done our binary multiplication and binary division. So if you like my video, then subscribe, share my channel. Okay, thank you.